Asylum is one of the most popular reliefs that an immigrant currently will be filing for in the United States immigrations. All those people who are coming through the United States southern border using CBP-1 app, in 99% of their situations, they will be filing for asylum in hopes of staying in the United States. But what do you need to do once you win asylum? This video is for those who are hoping to win their cases and for those who won their cases for asylum, and now you need to do these 4 things. My name is Alena Shautsova. I'm a New York immigration attorney. I've been practicing immigration law in the United States for almost 16 years, and I do help immigrants not only in New York, but in all 50 states, and I help those who are overseas seeking United States immigration help. So let's start. You won your asylum with immigration court. The first thing that you need to make sure that you're going to do is secure your form I-94, a special white card that is going to say that now you are admitted as an asylee. It's very important to have that card because this will serve as official proof of your asylum status in the United States, in addition to the court's order issued by the judge. How to get this form I-94? Well, typically, to get that form, you would have to contact USCIS and make an appointment with USCIS field office. And once you show up for that appointment with a copy of the immigration judge's order, your identification, 2 passport-style photos, USCIS office is going to issue that I-94 card to you. Many years ago, there was a different procedure. You would have to make an appointment with ICE, and currently USCIS basically stated that they're supposed to mail you that form automatically once your case is won in court, but I am yet to see that is to happen. So remember, these are the steps you're going to follow. As soon as you get a copy of the judge's order, you're going to call USCIS customer service number and you're going to advise them that judge granted relief for you, asylum, and you would like to have that I-94 admission stamp card in for your records. Second thing that you need to do, you will have to contact Office of Social Security Administration in the United States and ask them to update your Social Security card. You're going to receive an unrestricted Social Security card that is not going to have the stamp valid with authorization only. Why? Because as an asylee in the United States, you no longer need a work permit to accept employment or to be self-employed. For that reason, you do not have to submit Form I-765 anymore, and you do not have to pay any fees in connection with work permit. Very important to know that. Third thing that you need to do is to file Form I-730 for those of your relatives who were not automatically included in your case. Sometimes you would be in immigration court proceedings filing for asylum, but your family members would not be in immigration court proceedings. Let's say the government did not place them in removal proceedings, children or your spouse. Now, when you win your asylum case, they will not automatically receive that asylum derivative status, and you will have to file Form I-730 for them in order for them to receive asylum status. Same applies for those of your family members who are overseas. Remember that you're going to have 2 years from the date you became an asylee to file that Form I-730. Currently, in most cases, it's going to take you only 4 months for that form to be approved. Finally, you won your asylum. Congratulations! Now would be the time to prepare for your green card. You may be aware that it's possible currently to file for your green card earlier than 1 year of physical presence since receipt of that asylum status. But remember, you will have to show that by the time USCIS makes a decision on your I-485 application for permanent residency, you have to show that you spent 1 year physically in the United States since the date you received your asylum. So in preparation for that important step, you will have to make sure that you're going to have your medical exam completed, you have all certificates of dispositions for any possible arrests, And of course, make sure that you save that copy of Form I-589 application for asylum with important information that you will need to provide now on Form I-45 as well. It's extremely important to be consistent in your immigration forms. Remember that Form I-589, application for asylum, is not confidential for federal government. So if you think that the information you left on your asylum application does not have to be further disclosed on Form I-485 application to register permanent residency or later on Form N-400, you are wrong. Any discrepancies in subsequent immigration forms will be construed against you. And it's very important that you have complete copy of your immigration file and you do not make mistakes on your future applications. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that little video. Don't forget to like and share it. Again, my name is Alena Shautsova. If you need to reach me, my phone number is 917-885-2261. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you soon.